Hi, today I'm going to show you the Cobra Stretch. So the Cobra Stretch is a great exercise for the person who really struggles with back pain, particularly as they get out of bed in the morning. And so you can do this exercise actually right in bed and simply just lay face down on the bed. Hips are going to continue to stay on contact with the mattress. Your hands will be flat on the mattress, or obviously you can do this on the floor. And all you're going to do in this position is simply do a little bit of a light extension, a little bit of a push-up, if you will, and extend through the lumbar spine and let it back down. You're going to take it up to the point where you feel some pain in the low back, but not through that pain, okay? So just up to the point where you start to feel it, and then let it back down. As the hip flexor starts to loosen up, you can go a little bit higher, and the idea is eventually be able to get to the point where you can lock out the elbows and extend even through the neck, and then let that back down. And that's a great way, again, to help to loosen or lengthen out those hip flexors. Now, likewise, if you've been driving a lot, if you've been sitting at your office for a fair bit, you can do a similar version of this in a standing position and simply just take your hands, put it on the back part of your hips, and slide your hips forward. Again, kind of going into that point where you start to feel the pain, and then back it off. And then go into it a little bit further, and then back it off. And you can even take it really far, and again, extend it, really arch the back. And it's a great way just to kind of mobilize that lumbar spine and get you out of those flex positions after you've been sitting for a long time. Again, sleeping, particularly sleep in the fetal position. This is very effective for reducing that low back pain and stiffness in the first thing in the morning. After you've been driving for a while, this is just a really great kind of good way to keep your back nice and healthy and to really help on stretching those hip flexors that become very chronically stiff and tight with all the sedentary work and lifestyle that we all live. Take care. Give that one a try.